Friends, this is a particle top quark present in the quantum world. Its lifetime is 1 billionth part of a second. It is born and ends in such a short time, believe it or not, but this is the status of our lifetime in front of the universe's lifetime. How will you feel when in such a short time you have no meaning of your life? Why are we living? Why is this universe existing? And why are we there? A purpose in life makes a human being a human being. In such a situation, in a 13-billion-year-old universe which will exist for trillions of years to come, in which we will live for only 70 years, what is the purpose of our existence in it? What will be that purpose which makes our life meaningful? After all, for whom is such a big universe, and why do we exist? Has the universe been created for us, or have we been created for the universe? Friends, for centuries, humans have been watching the night sky. Humans have been present on Earth for the last 3 lakh years. In these 3 lakh years, our ancestors have lived their lives with many different beliefs, whether true or false. But those beliefs have given a meaning to their lives. If there is a purpose in your life, then you live every second of your life to the fullest. Till now, our ancestors have given many purposes to our lives by understanding the universe, which we can divide into 2 categories. The first category is religious, and the second is rational. Our ancestors believed that the universe has been created by some creator. According to them, the purpose of life is also connected to that creator. According to this, there is a creator who created the universe, who created us for a specific purpose. According to this concept, many meanings of life were decided. Some believed that we should worship the Creator, and in return, as a reward in the next life, they will get a chance to go to heaven, hell, Jannat or Jahannam, or any such paradise, or their next birth will be better than this birth, and finally, they will get ultimate freedom. That is, they will reach a state forever away from all problems where they only feel good. That is, there is no pain or trouble. Till now, crores of people have lived with this purpose of life. But as humans started opening the doors of their minds, humans started thinking something different from these beliefs. As science progressed, humans came to know that the Earth, which was considered flat in old beliefs, is round. The stars which people considered heaven are stars like our sun. The sun is also called a star. He was considered a god or divine man. He is a fire-spitting star 13 lakh times bigger than the Earth. It will destroy us by swallowing the Earth in the next 5 billion years. In ancient belief, Earth was the whole universe. But with new discoveries, scientists have found out that in our solar system, apart from Earth, there are 7 more planets, and there are many satellites and asteroids. Whereas in ancient times, only 5 planets were known which can be seen with naked eyes without a telescope. Whereas science has focused our eyes not only on the solar system but also on our galaxy and the entire universe outside it. Because of which today, we know that we live in a galaxy full of 400 billion stars and planets, which themselves exist among 200 billion galaxies, and this number is increasing every day. We do not know what is outside the universe. There are probably many more universes. In such a situation, it is revealed that our beliefs were based on less and wrong knowledge of the universe available at that time. Whereas new discoveries challenge our thinking. We did not have any evidence for those ancient beliefs. This was the reason why we see so many different beliefs. If we believe in heaven, hell and afterlife, then we do not have any evidence whether these exist or not. In such a situation, leaving what we have and following something about which we have no doubt will be a scary journey in which nothing will be achieved. But we know that the universe exists. We all are there. We have friends and family, which gives us a meaning of life. But if someone tells you that a flying unicorn outside the universe has created the world, of which there is no evidence, if we leave aside the universe which exists and try to give life to something that does not exist, then it will be a total waste of time for us. But friends, if there is no such thing as heaven, hell, afterlife, soul and God, then the question is whether we are robots. Are we just a moving material bound by the rules of the universe, which is a part of this universe, and has the ability to think about it in such a situation? What is the meaning of a robotic life? If our ancient beliefs are left aside, then how can we live life as a robot? After all, why does a universe exist for a robot? If a creator has created it, then we understand that it is for us and exists for a purpose. But after all, what purpose will there be for a robotic life? So friends, let us know what the rational approach says about our purpose in the universe. Till now, we have been living us life according to old beliefs, but let us think afresh that why we in the universe are. For this we must understand two things. Till first, we ourselves, that is, who are we? Are we just a robotic machine? What is our consciousness? Second, what is the universe? How big is it? And what is our place in the universe? What is its relationship with us? Friends, suppose you have just been born anew, and who are you? No one has told you any stories about what the universe is, but now we must think according to the knowledge available today. If we think from this approach, then we know that the one thing that exists is all of us and our universe. We are an important part of the universe and all the realities present in it. According to the anthropic principle, we are a part of the universe. That is why the rules of the universe have created us. The universe has created such a species with the rules of the universe, which can not only know itself, but can also know the universe and can develop high technology by investigating its rules and, most importantly, which has consciousness. Friends, we must know who we are. Consciousness is a common thing in all life on Earth. But what differentiates us humans from all of them is our brain, which can think, can ask questions, and can create new things. According to scientists, consciousness does not mean soul. Scientists are trying to understand consciousness, and according to their research, consciousness arises from the brain of all of us humans. That is, it is an emergent property of our brain. That is, consciousness arises due to the interaction of information present inside us. This is the reason why scientists believe that the consciousness of different organisms is also different, and the consciousness of us humans is different from all others. Organisms like bacteria are less conscious, while some are more conscious. Viruses behave consciously when in contact with living and non-living things. According to some scientists, consciousness is the fundamental property of the universe. That is, consciousness has come to us from the universe. Friends, one thing is certain here, that just as we are a part of the universe, consciousness is also a part of the universe. But now we must know what the universe is. The universe is a group of time, space, energy, matter, and all the planets, stars and galaxies made of this matter, which is many times bigger and more subtle than our imagination. In it, billions of trillions of planets, galaxies and whatnot are hidden. We have known only 5% of the universe so far. We do not know the remaining 95%. So far, scientists have explored the universe as much as we can. Now, no life like that on Earth has been found. We looked at trillions of planets and the sky of Ganga. We looked at the planets of Ganga and found no trace of life. Venus was found boiling like hell, as if it was not life but a catastrophe that was born there. Mercury has been burning in the heat of the sun for the last 4 billion years. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus are balloons of gas where it is not possible to imagine life. We searched the satellites of the solar system. We found deserted barren land there too. We studied the stars and planets outside the solar system. We found no signal of life there. We searched for life with the help of mathematics. So maths gave us 0. In such a situation, scientists started thinking that in this gigantic universe that is so old and has lived for trillions of years, everywhere is barren except the Earth. So why and for what are we here? Who made us? Who gave birth to us? If we are the work of the universe, then what does the universe want from us? Why are we alone in a universe that is trillions of times bigger? Why did the Earth give us birth again after life ended 5 times? Why is life still breathing even after facing the blows of billions of years? The universe will give us the answer to this. We have come to know the truth about what the universe is. What are we? Who are we? Till now, life has survived every time in our journey, and for the first time, a species has taken birth which was not present on Earth in the last 6 billion years. After 5 cataclysms, the universe has given birth to us, humans who have changed the face of the Earth in just the last 200 years, who jumped from the Earth to the sky, ripping it apart and reaching space. By keeping our eyes on the universe, we have also explored the 13 billion years old history, which is moving forward very fast. This growth of us humans tells us that there is something inside us which makes us special in such a big universe. If the universe can create us, it can also kill us. But life is still alive today, which means there is a purpose behind its existence. Life is not only alive, but it exists in millions of forms, and the most superior among them are we humans. Our question is what our purpose behind is being in the universe. But if the universe has created us, we are a part of it. The universe cannot exist without us. So this question which we are asking, is this also the handiwork of the universe? This question has been born inside all of us because of the universe, or say, nature. In such a situation, our question is, it is wrong to ask what is our purpose of being in the universe. Rather, it is possible that this purpose is of the universe itself. But the question is whether the universe is conscious like us. Then, friends, it is possible that the universe is also conscious because we know that consciousness is a part of this universe like us. According to scientists, consciousness is also a fundamental property of this universe. In such a situation, this conscious universe can also have a purpose. If we come to know what the purpose of the universe is, then our purpose will also be to fulfill this purpose of the universe. If we observe, the universe itself is telling us its purpose. The universe itself can create us, the same can destroy us. But till now, it has not destroyed life completely. Rather, life has been surviving till now. Life is simple. Form has also given rise to complexities. If we observe, a special feature of life is to replicate itself. The more it grows, the more secure it will be. Just as a virus and bacteria keep making copies of itself, similarly, all animals and we humans keep populating ourselves. If we see, the population of humans has grown very rapidly in the last 2,000 years. In the first century, 150 million people were present on Earth, and today there are 3 billion. Usually we see population as a problem, but increasing population makes life more secure. And we know that our neighboring planets and galaxies are lying deserted. Our population is very less compared to the rest of the universe. We humans can go to all these planets present in the universe. We can make them like Earth, and there is no other way for evolution to allow any life to evolve here. By doing this, we will take our consciousness from Earth to other planets as well and increase the scope of consciousness. It is possible that the universe also wants that its emptiness and void be filled with our consciousness. This will make life even more secure. If the Earth is destroyed, it will not affect the entire galaxy. But if we spread our population in the entire galaxy, consciousness will remain alive on billions of planets. Just as life has taken many new forms in the past 5.5 billion years and has given birth to humans, it is possible that billions of other species are waiting to be born in the universe. It is possible that due to this cosmic evolution, a species more advanced than humans may be born. This will also increase consciousness. Earlier, consciousness was in the form of a cell, and now it is in the form of billions of planets. Just like living beings and intelligent humans, the scope of consciousness, that is, its capability, will also increase. Friends, increasing the population does not only mean securing life, but also developing science. If we see, whenever the population increases, we humans invent new things for our survival. The more the population increases, the more new challenges there are and new inventions are made for them. Somewhere or the other, the increase in population gives birth to science. Necessity is the mother of invention, and if this necessity is for our survival, then new inventions form. The atom bomb is one such example which has been born due to both survival and necessity. In such a situation, increasing the population and spreading in the universe will create technology and invention. With this, we will be able to create a new creative world where the power of humans is enough. Life will increase, and life will also become much easier, which means we do not have to go to any heaven or paradise. Rather, with the help of science, we can make the universe itself a heaven, which has been hissing like a hell for billions of years. But friends, we have a big challenge, and that is lifetime. Remember, we talked about the lifetime of us humans in front of the universe, which is equal to the status of a quantum particle. The journey of our life is not even a millionth part of a second in front of the lifetime of the universe. But we also know that in such a short lifetime, till now we have increased the scope of consciousness a lot. We are moving towards terraforming other planets and making them like us. Today, we humans have also come to know how the life of a human can be increased. According to scientists, the reduction in the size of telomeres, a part of our chromosomes, can make us age. With the help of hyperbaric oxygen treatment, some scientists have brought many elderly people to the level of 25 years of age in their experiment. Today, we are moving towards increasing age by doing research on anti-aging. If we talk about artificial intelligence, then in just a few decades, AI has brought revolutionary changes in technology and scientific research has gained momentum. At the same time, with the help of quantum computers with AI, we can reduce the technological gap very fast. Today, we have reached such a level of science where we can create and implant any organ artificially. According to some experts, it is a game of immortality. So we can put that information in the computer and put it in a new body again. That is, we can make ourselves immortal. Jellyfish is such a fish which is almost immortal. It can make itself immortal. It can transform into a polyp state and regenerate a new body. It becomes almost immortal by giving itself a new life. By studying the state in which the human lives, we humans can also gradually achieve such a state by increasing our health and increasing the average lifespan of humans. If our lifespan is equal to 1/billionth of a second in front of the universe, then we also keep the mind with which we can increase it. In such a situation, the biggest purpose of our life, which we all humans can carry forward, will be the same as our ancient ancestors had. That is, ultimate freedom, which we can fulfill not with imaginations, but with the help of science. And we can fulfill the purpose of the universe and fill its emptiness. Instead of fighting for a small piece of land on Earth, we can unite and take over the entire universe. We can spread consciousness. We can get rid of the fear of death. Yes, this is very challenging, but it is not impossible. What the old ideology called impossible, science has made possible every time. We have shown that we humans can achieve what we can think. We're also moving towards the same goal that our ancestors wanted. That is, ultimate freedom. That is, getting rid of all problems. The only difference is that our ancestors were following imaginations, and the new era is following the instructions of that which exists, that is, the universe, not some imaginary entity. So, friends, it would be easy to say that all this is also imagination. But to accomplish this on the strength of science is a challenge. In such a situation, what do you think? Will we humans be able to accomplish this challenge? Do tell us in the comments and tell us what the purpose of your life is. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep roaming in the universe.